Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Word Unlocked. I am Jake.
And I am Sarah. Welcome to the podcast where we unlock English words for you.
Today, we have a very small word pair, but it is very powerful in English.
Yes, we hear it every single day. Today, we are talking about the phrase go on.
Go on is two small words, but together they have many meanings.
So, Jake, what is the most simple meaning of go on?
The most simple meaning is to continue.
Exactly. It means to not stop doing something.
If you are walking and someone says go on, they mean to keep walking.
Or if you are talking, it means to keep talking.
But English is fun. We add more words to go on to make new chunks.
Today, we have 5 special chunks for you. They are very common.
Let us start with chunk number 1. It is please go on.
This is very polite. We use it when someone is talking and they stop.
Maybe a phone rings or someone walks into the room.
The person stops talking. They might feel bad.
So you say, please go on. It shows you're still listening.
You want them to finish their story. It's a nice thing to say.
Here's a real example. Imagine you are in a meeting at work.
You say, I apologize for my phone ringing during your project update. Please go on.
That's a great example. You say sorry for the noise, then you tell them to continue.
It makes the other person feel respected.
Yes, it does. Okay, let us look at chunk number 2.
Chunk number 2 is a question. It is, what is going on?
We say this when we don't understand a situation.
Usually, the situation is crazy or very surprising.
Imagine you walk into your house. There's water all over the floor. The dog is barking.
You look around and shout, what is going on?
Exactly. You want to know what is happening right now.
Here's an example for work. Things are going very wrong.
Half the production databases just crashed and the monitoring alarms are blaring. Can someone please tell me what is going on?
That sounds like a very stressful day at the office.
Yes, it is. But what is going on is the perfect question to ask.
It means you need someone to explain the chaos to you.
Let us move to chunk number 3. This one is go on and on.
Oh, I know this one well. It means to talk endlessly.
Yes, someone talks heavily about one specific topic.
They talk until it becomes incredibly boring.
Or very annoying to everyone listening. They just don't stop.
We often add the word about at the end. We say, go on and on about something.
Here's a good example sentence for this chunk.
During the quarterly review, the marketing director just went on and on about the new logo design without mentioning any actual sales numbers.
That poor marketing director. But we all know someone like that.
Yes, they love a topic so much they go on and on.
It's a great phrase to describe long, boring speeches.
Okay, what is chunk number 4?
Chunk number 4 is go on to.
Notice the extra word, too. How is this different?
We use this when someone finishes one major life event or one big task.
And then they progress directly to the next one.
We hear this a lot when people talk about career paths or life stories.
Like, she finished school and went on to become a doctor.
Exactly. It shows a step forward in time. Here's our official example.
After leaving his job as a junior developer, he went on to build one of the most successful startups in the industry.
Wow, that is a very successful person.
Yes, he finished the junior job first, then he went on to build a startup.
It connects two important actions in a person's life.
It's very useful for telling stories about famous people, too.
Now we are at our last chunk, chunk number 5.
This one is a lot going on. You can also say much going on.
We say this when we have a massive amount of tasks, or high stress, or chaotic events happening in your life.
It means everything is happening at the exact same time.
You use it to tell people you are too busy. For example, A friend asks you to help them move to a new house, but you are studying for a big test and you have a sick dog.
You tell them, sorry, I have a lot going on right now.
Here's an example from business.
I can't take the lead on this new database migration right now. I already have way too much going on this week.
That person sounds very stressed.
Yes, it's a polite way to say no to more work.
It's much nicer than just shouting that you are too busy.
Okay, Jake, it is time for our real life stories.
I love this part of the show. We get to use the chunks in real life.
Do you have a story for us today?
I do. It happened just last week at a coffee shop.
Oh, what happened?
I was sitting outside with my friend Mark. We were having a nice talk.
That sounds relaxing.
Suddenly, two cars crashed in a street right in front of us.
Oh no, was everyone okay?
Yes, everyone was perfectly fine. They were just driving very slowly.
But it was still a surprise.
Yes, we jumped up from our chairs. Mark looked at the street and yelled, "What is going on?"
That is the perfect time to use that phrase.
It really was. The situation was very confusing for a moment.
Did you finish your coffee?
We did. After the police arrived, I looked at Mark and said, "Please, go on with your story."
Very clever, Jake. You used 2 chunks in one day.
I try my best. Now, Sarah, what is your real-life story?
My story is about my sister, Elena.
I remember Elena. Does she still live in London?
Yes, she does. Last month, I called her on the phone to say hello.
How's she doing?
Well, I asked her if she wanted to visit me for the holiday.
That is a fun idea. Did she say yes?
No, she could not come. She told me she had way too much going on.
Oh, she is very busy. What is she doing?
She just bought a new house and she's changing her job.
Wow, buying a house and changing jobs? That is definitely a lot going on.
Yes, but she went on and on about the new house. She loves it.
She must be very excited to talk about it so much.
She is. I hope she finishes everything soon. Then maybe she will go on to take a long vacation.
That would be a very good idea for her.
Well, those were some great examples.
Let us do a quick review of the chunks we learned today.
First, we learned, please go on. Use this to politely ask someone to continue talking.
Second, what is going on? Ask this when a situation is crazy or confusing.
Third, go on and on. This means talking heavily about one thing until it's boring.
Fourth, go on to. This means finishing one big task and moving directly to the next.
And fifth, a lot going on. Use this when you have a massive amount of tasks or stress.
You have learned 5 new ways to use these simple words.
Now it's time for your homework.
Yes, we want you to practice. Practice makes perfect.
We want you to write one sentence.
Think about a time when you were very, very busy.
How would you tell a friend that you have a massive amount of tasks right now?
Write a sentence using the chunk, a lot going on.
Say it out loud, too. It helps you remember.
You can even teach it to a friend.
That's all the time we have for today's episode.
Thank you for listening to Word Unlocked.
We love helping you build your English vocabulary.
If you like our podcast, please tell a friend about us.
And please do not go on and on about it. Just tell them once.
Very funny, Sarah.
We'll see you next time with another new word to unlock.
Have a great week, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye!